AC condenser symptoms. Don't ignore these warning signs. A clogged AC condenser can lead to reduced cooling performance, warm air from vents, and even system overheating. Other symptoms include unusual noises, refrigerant leaks, and increased energy bills. Visible damage or blockages on the condenser fins, or signs of leaks, can also indicate a problem. Specific symptoms. Reduced cooling efficiency. The AC may not cool the vehicle or room as effectively as it used to, requiring it to run longer or at higher settings. Warm air from vents. Instead of cool air, you might feel lukewarm or even warm air coming from the vents. Overheating. A clogged condenser can restrict airflow to the radiator, potentially causing the engine to overheat, especially when idling or driving at low speeds. Unusual noises. Hissing, rattling, or other strange noises can indicate a refrigerant leak or a blockage within the condenser. Refrigerant leaks. Leaks can manifest as visible stains or puddles near the condenser or as a drop in system pressure, often triggering warning lights. Increased energy bills. As the system works harder to compensate for the clogged condenser, your energy consumption and electricity bills may increase. Visible damage, blockages. Check for bent or damaged fins, or a buildup of dirt, leaves, or other debris on the condenser. Burning smell. In some cases, a clogged condenser can cause a burning smell due to overheating components or a refrigerant leak. What to do? Clean the condenser. Regularly clean the condenser coil to remove any debris and ensure proper airflow. Check for leaks. If you suspect a leak, have it inspected and repaired by a professional. Inspect the system. If you notice any of the above symptoms, it's best to have the AC system inspected by a qualified technician to diagnose and resolve the issue.